I'm Cassie Lomas, a makeup artist, and I'm here today to show you how to get younger looking brows. Now, as we get a bit older, our brow shape can change, it can drop a little bit. You might find that your hairs have gone a little bit more sparse and need filling in, so I'm going to show you a great routine. You'll probably find that your brows will change shape over the years. So the first thing that you want to do is measure them. I'm going to use my brow brush and I'm going to hold it up vertically from the side of the nose to the corner of the eye. This is going to show us where the eyebrow should start. If you swivel your brush around and you take the brush from the corner of the nose through the outside corner colour of your eye, this will tell you where your arch should be. And then from the corner of the nose through the corner of the eye, and that's where the brow should end. Now we know where your brows need to be, we're going to choose a product, and I'm opting for a brow palette. Now, this has got an eyeshadow in it, 2 different tones so we can mix them together. It has a wax, and then we've got a little one of highlighter. So let's start with the wax, and I'm going to gently sweep this through your brows. Now this acts as a little bit of a glue, so that when we go over with the eyeshadow will stick. When we're choosing the eyeshadow tone, I always like to go in between the two. So I literally dab my brush in between both colours. What we find is that over the years, the brows start to droop a little bit. So we want to try and reintroduce the arch to lift and elevate the brow and give a much younger finish. When you're happy with the shape that you've drawn, you then want to use your brush to give the brows a really good sweep, soften the shadow and get rid of any areas where it may be a little bit too harsh or a little bit too dark. The final step is to use a brush and the highlighter and just put a little bit of colour underneath the arch of the brow on the brow bone. That's going to accentuate the lift that we want to show underneath the brow.
Oh my goodness. They are absolutely fabulous. Something that I can do myself, and I will do it. Thank you.
Oh, good. I'm glad about that. Well, I hope you found this helpful and you can now get your younger looking brows.